Okay, I just want to give you a quick introduction to OrCAD CIP. This is a better way to manage your parts and to get them from distributors. Now you can go and look up your favorite website, let's say DigiKey Electronics, right? And then look for, say, a 22 microfarad capacitor, and that's all fine and good. And you can see what's in stock, do your parametric search, look for ceramic capacitors. It's really great. I still use DigiKey, and this is what I do. But with OrCAD CIP, you can sort of skip going to the website, and so I'll show you how to do this. So I'll copy this manufacturer part number, or maybe I just want to look for any 22 microfarad capacitor. And then you want to go to CIP. This is the Component Information Portal. If you have any settings that you need to set, once you get CIP installed, you have your CIP URL, and your footprint viewer, your parts directory. Okay? But in CIP, you can go to open that, and you enter some information. And then if you're an administrator for your machine, or you have employees who you work with and whatnot, or peers, they can go in here, go to distributor search, type in some keyword. If they look for DigiKey, Mouser, Newark, things like that, I'll just choose DigiKey and Mouser. And I can use a keyword, say 22UF, make sure it's in stock or ROHS compliant, hit search, and here's what we get. Voila. We get all these options. There's real-time part quantity and hand information. It's very fast. Tayo Yuden looks to be like the champ here. You can sort by distributor. Let's say you prefer Mouser. That's good because especially in Texas, you get next day shipping and delivery by the afternoon or whatnot for like $7 or $10. Okay, so for the component view, you can select capacitors, connectors, crystals, and whatnot. And then you can look at the part data, the datasheet URL, all of it is there. And then you can choose to set your capacitor view. You can create a temporary part. Now the powerful thing about CIP is that it can be integrated with CIS. CIS is the component information system that keeps a database of approved parts for you and your team. And you can make a temporary approved part, or a part that you could just work with first, and then somebody else can approve it. In the meantime, while you can still work with it, you would select the schematic symbol to match it with something generic, and you can choose to leave or not assign a footprint to the part. But let's go ahead and assign a footprint, and then we'll choose. You could use Mouser part number and map that to some field. Category, you can choose that you want it to be in some kind of category, but let's go with add, and then you can view the PCB footprint here. The viewer shows up, right? So that's good, and you can change so many different things, but I'm going to leave them the way they are and place this part. So now I have a part that is in the approval process that engineers are going to look at. But in the meantime, I get to use this and continue working my design. I got it quickly from the distributor. There's no need to go to DigiKey and then hope that you can get the part model from Snap EDA and whatnot. And if you already have parts that are in your library, in your CIS database, with the footprints and all that. So alright, and then downloading these, and alright. So this is the benefit of CIP and combined with the power of CIS, but even with just CIP alone, it's really powerful. Okay, so this is why I like CIP. If you have been considering getting it, it's totally worth it. I highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a good one.